What is up, YouTube? How are you guys doing? Welcome back to another video. I am here to add another company to my watch list, and this one is a big one. I want to share this one with you guys so badly, so let's get into the video. If you've never seen one of these videos before, I'm basically going to cover a stock and I'm going to go over what they do, what their future plan or the story around them, a price target that I have in mind, and a little bit of extra information about the company that has made me so bullish to add it to my watch list. Another good reminder about companies that I add to my watch list is as soon as I add it to my watch list, that means that I cover any big news that comes out about that company on the channel. And the company that we're going to be talking about today is AAXN Enterprises. So with that being said, let's get into the video. All right, guys, as I already said in the intro, oh shoot, you guys were gonna let me do this video without the coat. Just give me a second. And we back with the coat. Now you guys know you can't be talking about people's finances without a coat on and looking professional, because we're professionals here. We don't just throw things out there. We do research. We dig into companies. We find out everything we can. Again, take everything I say with a grain of salt, but let's get into AAXN Enterprises. AAXN Enterprises, ticker symbol AAXN. The current market cap is about $5.5 billion. What do they do? They provide body cameras, tasers, and audio recording equipment for police departments. How fitting, as we're talking about police departments everywhere in the news today. Why am I so bullish about this company? I'm glad you asked. They are producing, or they are about to produce, their AAXN 3, which is a live streaming version of their current body camera tech. This is great because you're gonna have police officers now in an office far away monitoring every police interaction. They also do a little bit more than just make the body camera, the taser, and the audio recording equipment. They also provide the software for all of these equipment, so they work well together. If I have to give a price target to this company, I'm going to set it at $87 is where I would make a full, I would put all my money into making this a full position in my holdings. Their initial camera technology with AAXN 1 and AAXN 2 were basically, they gave those cameras away to police departments around the world to provide a proof of concept showing that they work. Now that we know that they work, and now that the public wants more monitoring of police, we're going to see AAXN 3 come online at the perfect time. So as police stations have to upgrade, they're going to have to buy the AAXN 3. The AAXN 3 is going to also have integrated AI, so if the gun is fired, if there's any situation that it picks up on, it's going to turn on by itself automatically. That's going to be a plus. You're going to be able to have cops in the station being able to turn on all the body cams of anybody on the scene. If they're in a shootout or something, they can help the cop navigate what's going on because they'll have multiple feeds on the situation. And then the final thing that I wanted to talk about with this company is they just win all the contracts. They lost one contract to New York City, which is a very big contract to lose. You do not want to miss out on the NYPD. And what did they do? They went around and they bought the company that was the lowest bidder, and now they have the NYPD contract. So this company is positioned to do really big things, and I just don't see a future where this company is not at least a $10 billion company. So that's why I made it onto the watch list. Yeah, that's basically it. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any opinions, make sure you share them in the comments, and I will be willing to answer any question that is asked of me in the comments. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and with that being said, goodbye.